Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Baseball 9 and I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial step by step how I managed to get the Baseball 9 mod, which gave me unlimited, as you can see, coins, diamonds, energy guys. And this is a real mod guys, which I find it out, and I'm going to share it with you all the steps and how I managed to get it and how I did it. Okay, so as you can see, it's working, everything in the app guys. This is a real mod. All right, I'm going to show you. For example, we go to the league here and you can skip the games, for example 10 games without a problem. And I'll try not to stay too long inside of the game so I don't make the video too long guys. I will just show you a little bit, and then I'll show immediately what you have to do in order to get this mod. Okay, just a few seconds. As you can see, already did 10 games immediately, because you can guys, because you have a lot of energy. All right, so this mod, I found it out guys, is very simple and very easy. It works for both the devices, iOS and Android. So I'm just showing to you the steps right now. My Xiaomi, which is an Android phone. I'm recording right now with my iPhone because of better camera quality. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users guys, just let me know in the comments below, and I will do a tutorial also for the iOS users also, okay, without a problem. Just if you want me to, let me know in the comments. All right, so as you can see, everything works and runs perfectly fine for me guys. I will not stay too much in the game, so I can just start the gameplay if you want, so you can see that the game works. All right, so I will go immediately to show you now that what you have to do in order to get this mod. Okay, here we are. Just to start, I'm just gonna skip here. Auto winning. Me, I like more betting than throwing, in fact. So I'm just going to stop right now guys, and I will show you what you have to do in order to get this mod. Okay, so as I mentioned to you, this is the latest update guys. I'm going to show you here in the app info, version 3.1.9. I will go also to the game to show it to you. All right, I'm gonna leave. Okay, go to the settings, users. As you can see right over here, this is the latest update guys of the game. So all you have to do guys to get this mod on your game, you're gonna be able to install it even if you have the game already, or if you make if you're going to download the app from the beginning, you can download this mod APK also. Okay, so all you have to do is just make sure you gotta have good connection with internet guys, and you just need to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, and all you have to do is just need to go and search about this website over here. All right, you enter inside of it. All right, just wait a couple of seconds to log in to the main page, and you just need to go search in the searching bar about the game. You can check later, there are a lot of other modded games and other apps if you want to get it. Just press in the middle, press green sign, download now. It will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process guys, you're going to be able to install the mod on your game, and it will start to generate unlimited coins and diamonds and energy, same as me. All right, so this is my video tour for today guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the like button guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers.